So if we were come back to dampness from terms of Chinese medicine, what would you, apart from kind of reducing the sugars and the refined foods, what other things would you be suggesting to kind of clear that dampness for the spleen, for the kapha person, and improve circulation and reduce pain?
In our case, we would start with what are the things that easily reduce that dampness or ama toxin accumulation in the body. So we would start with something as simple as using a copper tongue scraper. In Ayurveda, we teach that all the organs of the body are reflected on the tongue, just like in reflexology, they're all reflected on the bottom of the feet. So very much similar sister philosophies in that way. So we would recommend using a tongue scraper gently 7 to 14 times, because you could have this like white coating on the tongue that's indicative of ama. And we know that that's going to ignite the digestive fire.
Yeah, similar diagnosis.
Awesome.
Have a white coating with kind of almost slightly swollen, so you get kind of scalloped shape down the side of that.